Hello my dear student, lecture number 18, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Question number 1 from exercise 3.6. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. These two given equations, solve this equation. Now first you reduce this equation to linear equation into variables. Solution. Let 1 upon root x is equal to m and 1 upon root y is equal to n. Then this value substitute here. So therefore 2m plus 3n is equal to 2. Equation number 1. 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 1. Equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and add. So 6m plus 9n is equal to 6 plus 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 1. Add this equation. 6 plus 4 10m. This 9n and minus 9n get cancelled. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and therefore m is equal to 1 upon 2. Substituting m is equal to 1 upon 2 in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 3n is equal to 2 and therefore 3n, this n and this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So here 1. So 3n is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and therefore n is equal to 1 upon 3. Resubstituting for m and n. So m is equal to 1 upon root x. 1 upon root x is equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3 and therefore root x is equal to 2 and root y is equal to 3 and therefore x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. Here you squaring on both the sides. Question number 4. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here you substitute forward x minus 1 and y minus 2. So solution. Let 1 upon x minus y is equal to m and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to n. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to m and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to n. And then substitute this. So therefore 5m plus n is equal to 2. Equation number 1. 6m minus 3n is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 because here minus 3 is there. Therefore I multiply by 3 here. So this become plus 3n and after addition this will get cancelled. So multiply equation number 1 by 3 and add. So 15m plus 3n is equal to 6 plus 6m minus 3n is equal to 1. Add this equation, this get cancelled. So 15m plus 6m is equal to 21m is equal to 6 plus 1 7 and therefore m is equal to 1 upon 3. Substituting m is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation number 2, 6 into 1 upon 3 minus 3n is equal to 1. 3 2s are 6, so 2 minus 3n is equal to 1, and therefore minus 3n is equal to minus 1, and hence n is equal to 1 upon 3. Resubstituting for m and n, 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3, and therefore x minus 1 is equal to 3, and therefore x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Similarly, for n, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3, and therefore y minus 2 is equal to 3, and therefore y is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Question number 5. 7x minus 2y upon x minus y is equal to 5, and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So this is slightly different example. Try to understand. Solution. Given 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5, 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So here you split up denominator. So 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5, and 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. And now there x and x get cancelled. So this is 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5, and 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Equation number 2. Now this equation you reduce to linear equation into variables. So let 1 upon y is equal to n, and 1 upon x is equal to m, and therefore 7n minus 2m is equal to 5, and 8n plus 7m is equal to 15. And now then observe equations. So multiply equation number 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2 and add. So here you multiply by 7. So 49n minus 14m is equal to 35, and here you multiply by 2. So 16n plus 14m is equal to 30. So this is what positive, negative, this is positive get cancelled if I add this. So adding this equation, 49n plus 16n is equal to 65n, this and this get cancelled, and 35 plus 30 is equal to 65, and therefore n is equal to 1. Substituting n is equal to 1 in equation 1, 7 into 1 minus 2m is equal to 5, and therefore minus 2m is equal to minus 2, and m is equal to 1. Now resubstitute for m and n. So resubstituting for m and n, 1 upon y is equal to 1, and therefore y is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 upon x is equal to 1, and therefore x is equal to 1. So this is your solution. Example number 7. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now reduce this equation to linear equation into variables, assuming 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n, and therefore 10m plus 2n is equal to 4, and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. This is second equation. So, and now here you can reduce this equation because what these coefficients are multiple of 2. So I divide by 2. So 2m plus n is equal to 2, equation number 1. Then multiply equation number 1 by 5 and add. So if I multiply this equation by 1, so this is multiply by what equation by 5, so that I will get 25m plus 5n is equal to 10, and this is 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. If I add this, these two will get cancelled. So 25m plus 15m is equal to 40m, and 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So 40m is equal to 8, and therefore m is equal to 1 upon 5. Substituting m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 1, 5 into 1 upon 5 plus n is equal to 2. 5 get cancelled, 1, n is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So resubstituting for m and n, 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1, and therefore x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 3, x minus y is equal to 1. Equation number 4. Now these two equations you solve. Adding equation number 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 5 plus x minus y is equal to 1. Y get cancelled. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3 in equation number 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5, and therefore y is equal to 2, and hence x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 is solution. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.